Yeah, in the last class we started with the balancing rule.
Yes,
How to balance any two numbers?
Can I?
Sir, can I have a
Sir,
Sir, can I give examples? Sir, can I
Yes.
already?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, can I? Can I?
Sir, example is 13 and 12 is there.
And sir, 20, sir, that is 13 and 12 is there, suppose. So we'll write 2 down and we'll carry forward 1 over there. So 13 plus 1 will be 14. Will be answer, sir.
Okay. 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 Right. Actually, I'm not feeling like that, but some persons may feel like that only. Don't irritate people, okay? By speaking all the persons at a time. Okay. I told you already in the previous class only. This is not comfortable for me. Keeping all the persons in mute condition, telling the class in from one side, only one side. That is not comfortable for me. So if it is two-way communication, it is better. But you are making it one-way communication. So 8th class students are very good. They are they will keep calm and they will listen to me whenever I'm saying. They will ask the doubts one by one. Okay. See, balancing rule. How to balance is if it is a 2-digit number on the right side. If it is a 2-digit number on the right side, drop units place, carry forward next place. Yeah, not started yet, Toshnika. Okay, I'm unmuting. Whoever want to speak, only one person at a time, speak. Otherwise, I'll do it again the same way. Mute yourself, okay? That is better. Okay, 1 second. This is not.
Sir are giving exercises.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
This is what I told. I didn't tell anything, and you are asking, are you giving exercise directly? Let me tell you something. After that, later we'll take exercises based on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the last class, we have given this idea on balancing rule, and we have done this exercise with the 2-digit and 2-digit. Later, we have done with the 3-digit, 4-digit and 4-digit, and 3-digit and 3-digit also. We have done with the 3 numbers also, right? This is 3-number exercise.
Sir, that was easy.
Okay.
Sir, hard, sir. Again.
Yeah. Today, we'll do this type of questions in the same way as we have discussed in the previous class. Just let me tell you this example. Whoever not there in the last class or whoever not understood in the last class can understand. See, listen to me carefully. Don't respond anyone. Even if I ask some question also, don't respond. Okay. 9 plus 5 is 14. But while writing 14, before writing 14 only, see the next place, whether it is a carry combination or not. So if it is a carry don't respond. Okay. If it is a carry combination, increase one number, otherwise keep it as it is only. So 9 plus 5, 14, but next place is a carry combination. That's why I'm writing 15. Okay. So only while taking first place, we have to consider complete number. So from the second place onwards, no need to consider complete number. We have to take only end number. Okay. We have to take only end number. See, from the second place onwards, I'm taking only one end number. 5 plus 7 is 2. End number is 2, but next place is a carry combination. That's why I'm making it 3. 7 plus 8 end number is 5, but next place not carry number. It is not a carry combination. That's why keep it as it is 5 only. Next 4 plus 4 8, but next place is not carry combination. That's why keep it as it is 8. 5 plus 3 8, but next place is a carry combination. That's why 8 becomes 9. Okay. 8 plus 6, end number is 4, but next place is not carry combination. That's why keep it as it is, 4 only. Next, 6 plus 1, 7. Yeah, 6 plus 1, 7, but next place is not a carry combination. That's why make it as it is. Sorry, keep it as it is. 1 plus 2, 3, but next place is a carry combination. That's why 3 becomes 4. 2 plus 8, any number is 0, but next place there is no carry. That's why it will be 0 only. It will remain 0. 3 plus 0, 3, but next place is a carry combination. That's why it should be 4. And lastly, 6 plus 9, end number 5. So this is the answer. Okay. Got understood, all of you. You can
Yes,
you can
sir.
respond now.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is very helpful, sir.
Yes, yes. If you practice, it will be very
Sure.
helpful, and it will be it can be done in seconds also. Okay. Anybody have doubt in this example, in this problem? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir, it's all clear.
Okay.
All clear, sir.
Yeah, if it is clear for all, that is okay. Then happy. Okay.
Okay, what are the bits?
Wait, I will check. I will check whether you are clear or not. Satvika, can you speak? Satvika.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it in the same way.
So 3 plus 2 is 5, but 5 plus 5 is a carry combination. So 3 plus 2 will become 6,
Okay.
and 5 plus 5 is 10. But
No,
But
end number is enough.
Sir, 0, sir.
Wait,
Zero.
wait,
But
wait.
6
Remaining
plus 6
persons wait. Remaining persons wait. Please wait.
5 plus 5 n number is 0,
Hmm.
but 6 plus 6 is 12. It's a carry combination.
No need to tell the answer actually. 6 plus 6, 12. No need to say that one. Just it's a carry combination or not. That's all.
So 0 will become 1,
Okay.
and 6 plus 6 n number is 2,
Hmm.
but 8 plus 8 is a carry combination. So
That's
2
why
will become 3,
2 become 3.
and 8 plus 8 is 16, 6, n number is 6,
Okay.
but 7 plus 7 is a carry combination.
That's why.
So 6 will become 7,
Okay.
and 7 plus 7 number is 14, 4.
4.
And so we can write it as 4 only because next number is not a carry combination.
Very good. Okay.
And 5 plus 8, 13.
You missed one. 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4 is 8.
Hmm.
But 8 plus 5 plus 8 is 13. So 8 will become 9.
Okay. It's a carry combination. That's all. You can tell in that way. Next.
5 plus 8 n number is 3.
Hmm.
And 9 plus 9 is a
Next
carry
is carry.
combination.
You can tell next is carry. That's all.
So we will get 4 in place of 3.
Okay.
9 plus 9 n number is 8.
Hmm.
And next number is not a carry combination. So we can write 8 only.
Okay.
2 plus 6, 8.
Hmm.
And even 4 plus 0 is not a carry combination.
Hmm.
So 2
So?
plus 6, 8. We will write as 8 only.
8 only. Okay.
And 4 plus 0 is 4 because next number is not a carry combination.
Hmm.
And we will write it as 4 only.
Okay.
And 1 plus 2 is 3. And next number carry combination, it's not a carry combination. So 1 plus 2 will become 3.
Okay.
And 3 plus 1 is 4. And the next number is not a carry combination. So 3 plus 1 will be 4 only.
Okay.
5 plus 4 is 9.
Mhm.
And the next number is not a carry combination. So we'll write as 9.
Okay.
0 plus 5 is 5.
Hmm.
But next number is a carry combination.
Hmm.
So 5 will become 6.
Okay.
6 plus 6 n number is 2.
Hmm.
But next number is a carry combination. So we will put 3.
Okay.
9 plus 8 is 17.
7. End number
7.
7.
But the next number is a carry combination. So we will put 8.
7 becomes 8. Okay.
8 plus 7 end number is 55.
5.
But next number is a carry combination. So we will put it as 6.
Okay.
7 plus 5 is end number is 2.
That's all. End number 2, right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. That is the answer. So you are explaining to me. That's why you are taking some time. But you don't need to explain anyone in the exam hall or when you are solving this question, right? So with the practice, you can reduce time. If you practice in this way, you can reduce time. Much time you can reduce. Mahira, can you speak? Mahira Sheikh. Mahira Sheikh.
Let's do the. Sir, we cannot hear her voice, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Wait. We are unable to hear the voice from Mahira, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aditya, wait.
We'll go to exercise.
Just wait. Okay, Mahira. Sahit Verma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, understood this method?
Yes, sir. So I understood it.
Okay, then explain this.
Excuse me, sir. So the first one's going to be 8.
One second. Somebody asked something.
Yeah, yes, sir. I actually asked you, I wanted to ask you whether you give us some sum so that we can keep on building.
Sorry?
I wanted to ask you whether you would give us a sum so that we can solve it in the meantime.
In the meantime, okay. Then you can solve the same question in the meantime.
Yeah, yes, sir. I wanted to ask you before you gave the sum.
Okay. Okay. Sahit Verma, proceed.
So the first one's going to be 8, but the one after that is a carryover, so it's going to be 9, sir. And
One second.
8.
Here, remember one thing. As we are already, we have done many examples. That's why no need to explain clearly. Just directly tell how you are getting the digits. Simply, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 6 plus 8 is 6 plus 2 is 8, but next place carry, that's why 9. In that way.
Okay, sir. So the second one is 1 because it's supposed to be 11, but then we carry over the other one to the one before it, and then the next one is 5 plus 9, which equals to 14. But the 11 will be turned into a 2 because of that. So that means that and then the 14 will become a 15 because the one after.
One second. Why you are discussing or why you are explaining about full number? Why we have to take 11 here? Why we have to take 14 here? So n number is enough, right? Only when we are taking first digit, first combination, we have to concentrate on complete sum, complete addition. So from the next place onwards, concentrate on only n number. 3 plus 8 is 1. 3 plus 8 is 1. That's all. Okay, but next place carry, that's why 2. 5 plus 9 is 4, but next place carry, that's why 5. In that way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think you have not practiced. I told you in the last class, try to do nearly 50 to 100 n number combinations. Only n numbers, write only n numbers. Take any 2 numbers randomly, some like this, write n number like 3. Okay, practice.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, then.
Can I proceed now?
Yes.
So the next one will be 5. I mean, it will be 4 because it's supposed to be 14, but then the other one's a carryover, so it will be
Again, you are telling 14. Don't say 14. Just say 4.
15. So 15. So the next one is going to be
5.
sir, I'm
My
really
my
trying.
voice is clear at your end, Sahit Verma.
Yes, so 1 second. So I have relatives over here, so that's why.
Okay, Sahit Verma. Just listen to your friend now. Raghav will explain this.
So I'll send it to the chat.
Raghav will explain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Continue from here.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, 7 to 7 is 14, but as an
Again, you are telling 14. I don't need 14.
Okay, sir. Then it is 4. Then the next, as the next column is a carry, then we should write it as 5.
Okay.
And 8 4 is
2.
2 actually, and 9 5 is 4. As it is a
Carry.
we
That's
write
all.
it as
No need to
3.
tell 4.
Yeah.
Just say carry.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We'll write it as 3.
Okay.
And 9 5 is 4, but 6
Mhm.
4 is carry, so we'll write it as 5.
Okay.
2 1 is 3, but as a
You are
next
missing
one
one
is
thing.
not a carry.
You missed this one, this combination.
Oh, yes, sir.
Sir, did you get my answer?
Sir, 6 4
Wait,
is,
Ashok. Wait. Yeah, 4 plus 6 is 0.
yeah, yes, sir, it's 0. And 2 plus 1 is 3. We'll write it as it is. And 3 plus 2 is 5. But the next column is a carry over, so we'll write it as 6. And 5 plus 5
Where
is,
you missed this one also again.
sir, I told that actually.
1 plus 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Told this.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, right. 2 plus 3 is actually 5, but next place carry, that's why 6.
Yes, sir. 5 plus 5 is 0, but next is carry, so 1.
Okay.
8 8 6, but no, sir. 8 8.
Will be
Yes, sir. 8
6
to
only.
6 only. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And 6 plus 1 7.
Hmm.
And next one also 7 only.
7. Okay. 7.
7 only. Then 5 4 is 9, but next is carry, so 0.
Yeah, 0 means 10 actually. How to
Yeah.
increase 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you increase 1, then it will be increased again. 8 0 then. 79 actually, but
Yes.
8. Next.
Yes, sir. I also got the same doubt, sir.
Mm.
Sir, sorry, sir. I accidentally sent it to everyone. I wanted to send it to you, sir. I sent the answer.
You do it yourself only. You don't need to send to me. Even
I I wanted to send to you, sir. I accidentally typed it in the chat. I typed it to everyone, sir, accidentally.
Okay.
9 5.
9 5 4.
Yes, sir. Next is carry, so 5. And 8 8 6. Next is carry, so 7. And 9 7 6. And we should write as 6 only, as next is not carry. 4 2 is also 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7, but next is carry, so 8.
Okay.
And 8 3 is 11.
1.
Oh, 1 1 1. Yes, sir. It is 1. And next one is 5, but next is carry, so 6 and 1.
Okay, 6 and 1. Very good. So I hope all of you
Yes,
understood
sir.
this.
Sir,
What action
yes.
is.
Sir, can you give another question, sir? I'll solve it in some time.
I'll share it in the I'll share separate questions in your homework. Okay, Google Classroom.
Let's start the exercises.
What you are doing now? Not exercise.
Sorry, sir.
Excuse me,
Another
sir.
person.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the next number is 10. We should change the previous number also. If it is coming by the next carry.
Yeah. Because 4 plus 5 is 9. But again, your next place is a carry combination. That's why 9 we have to increase 1, right?
Okay, so we have to change the previous column also. Okay.
Yeah, previous column we need to increase.
Sir, is that only for 10 or is that for any number?
No, only for 9. 9 becomes 10. Only in this case.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
See the next.
Sir, what if it becomes no?
Keep in mute condition, all of you. Yeah, tell me, what is your doubt? Okay, then. Next is separate.
can I-
model. Yeah, wait. Separate model. It's a list addition. Okay, same type of questions we are doing as of now, but it's a list addition. So it's a single digit list. Presently, it's a single digit list.
Okay.
So the number started from 6 only. Remember this. Number started from 6 only. No numbers are there above 6. Okay, how to do this type of questions, we'll see now. See, let me explain this example first. Later you will do some questions. So see, suppose see 7, 9, 3, 4, 1. When you are adding from bottom to top or top to bottom, you can add in both the ways. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3, sorry, 8 plus 9, dash and 7. Okay, put a dash and 7. Whenever we are getting a carry number, so put a dash there and hold end number. Hold end number in the mind, put a dash over there. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
The dash means minus, sir.
No. Just it's a what we can say. Some see 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. In that 17, we are keeping 10 aside by like this. We are representing that 10 with a dash.
Okay,
We are holding
I
that
get
extra
it.
number, end number. Okay. See, from top to bottom. Yeah, from top to
Sir, we
bottom.
can call the dash as a hyphen also.
Yeah, hyphen or dash or cross mark. Any symbol you can use any symbol. Some or we can cancel the numbers also instead of using dash. See, from top I'm doing it. From top or from bottom we can do. From top I'm doing it. 6 plus 4 dash 0. Got it? 9 plus 5 dash 4. 4 plus 7 dash 1.
Sir, minus or plus, sir?
Sir.
This is addition.
Okay, sir.
What I'm doing is the code.
Again.
I didn't understood, sir.
Sir, again you can tell.
Okay.
Sir, so that mark will represent
Sir,
10.
I has internet issue, sir. Can you again tell? I was rejoined.
Yeah, just wait. Just wait. See, some 3, 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. We need to add these numbers, suppose.
3 plus 9 is
See. Wait. See. 3 plus 9 is 12. I'm keeping 10 aside and I'm holding that 2 in the mind. Okay, but I'm keeping that 10 with an hyphen or a dash or a cross mark. Anyone is okay. Anything is okay. Or you can place at the rate, or you can place any symbol, dollar like. So simple. We have to save some time. That's why I'm keeping hyphen or cross mark. Anything is okay. Okay. Again, I'm explaining. 3 plus 9 is 12, but I'll not read 12. I'll read it dash and 2. Okay. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 5 dash and 0. Okay. And if it is 0, then don't need to add 0 plus 3. Directly we can go to 3 plus 4.
7, sir.
3 plus 4. Suppose if the next number is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 7. I'll
That's
read it as
0.
the dash and 4.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. And you don't need to write that 2 and 0 and 4 there because we are keeping that.
Then what should we do?
Sorry?
So after that, what should we do?
See, wait, I will show. Okay. Are you ready? Just try to
Yes.
understand with this example. Later you will do some example.
No, sir, I did not
How
understand.
to second the
Yeah.
sums?
That's why try to understand with this example. Try to understand with this example. Okay. 6 plus 4 dash and 0. Actually, that is 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Instead of 10, I'm using that dash and we are holding that 0.
In the number.
Sorry? End number. Okay. Keep in mute condition, all of you. Okay. All right. Next, 9 plus 5 dash and 4. Kunal, mute. Okay.
From Kunal it is.
Somebody again unmuted. Okay. From the beginning again. See. We'll go from top to bottom or bottom to top.
Excuse me.
Top to bottom. Top to bottom.
Okay, top to bottom only.
Excuse me, sir.
Somebody asked something.
Sir, is the answer? Can I tell the answer?
Sorry.
I want to confirm with the answer, sir.
Later doing this, later I confirm this answer. You can confirm your answer then.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, we'll continue till the end. Don't. We should not stop in the middle now. 6 plus 4 10 dash 0. 9 plus 5 14 dash 4. Wait. 4 and 7 dash 1. 1 and 6 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 5 dash 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 5 dash 0. 9 plus 4 dash 3. 3 plus 8 dash 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 1 dash 0. 7 plus 6 dash 3. 3 plus 7 dash 0. And then 8. 8 is the end number. Now count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
So 10 dashes are there, 10 dots are there. That's why 10 and end number 8. That's all. That is the answer.
Sir, I got the
Okay,
same
sir.
answer using this method only.
Yes. Okay. All of you understood this method or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We got it, sir.
The name.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Who understood, keep in mute condition. Who have doubt, they can speak.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Can you say again?
Tell me, Ritvik.
Sir, when we should get the two numbers.
Yeah, whenever you are getting a two number, means whenever the sum is exceeding 10, just keep 10 aside with that dash and hold the above number. Above 10, how much is extra? Hold that number.
Sir, in this we get 4 as 6 plus 4 as 0, right?
10 dash and 0.
Afterwards we should count. We should
Add that 0 to 9. But actually 0 plus 9 is 9 only. That's why I'm ignoring this 0 and 9 plus 5 4. Dash and 4.
Sir, again 4 plus 7.
Yeah, again 4 plus 7 dash and 1.
Sir, then 1 plus 6 is 7.
7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 5 14 dash and 4. Okay, everywhere it is writing this number also, that's a time waste. That's why I'm keeping this number in the mind.
Sir, we should keep a number in the mind and we should count the dash. That's it.
Yeah, we have to keep the end number in the mind and put a dash over there. Okay.
Sir, shall we continue with exercise?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
great.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I Ritvik?
Srishti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain.
Sir, 4 plus
Remaining
7.
person, so keep in mute condition.
Sir, 4 plus 7 is 11. So dash 1.
Okay.
So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5. Sir. 9
Eight
plus 5 is
Where is this
14.
one? What about this one?
Sir, 1 plus 8 we should do, right?
1 plus 8. I
Okay,
don't
sir.
want to write this one. That's why I did not write. That's
Okay, sir. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So dash 0.
1 second. 1 second. My pen got stuck. Okay. 4 plus 7, 11, dash and 1. 1 plus 8,
8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So dash 0.
dash 0. If it is 0, no need to add 0 plus 5. Directly go to 5.
Okay, sir. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, so dash 0.
Okay.
So 9 plus 7 is 16, so dash 6.
Okay.
So 6 plus 3 is 9.
Hmm.
9 plus 6 is 15.
Dash 5 means end number 5 and the number of dashes 1,
5.
Can I tell the answer?
5.
5.
It's
So answer will be
55 for
50.
me.
55.
Okay.
Sir, now can I edit with?
Sir, can I do again?
Kunal, can I? Sir, now Kunal, can I?
Wait, all of you in mute condition.
Sorry, sir, it's all wrong.
Wait.
Sir, what is that, sir?
Sir, can I? Sir, someone message along.
Yes, sir, it is so good.
Yeah, in the bottom she mentioned sorry by mistake. Okay. Now Aditi will explain.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 8. Sir, can you hear me?
You have some technical problem, I think.
Sir, can you hear me?
Sir,
No,
we
your
can-
voice is
Sir, we
it
can
is-
hear her, but her voice is very low, sir.
yeah, very low.
Sir, now can you hear me?
Okay, we'll go with another person. Okay, Aditi. Jaideep will explain. Jaideep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 8 plus 6 is dash 4.
Okay.
And again 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 4 is dash 3.
Okay.
And 3 plus 7 is 10, so dash 0. And
Okay.
again 8 plus 2 is dash 0. And again
Okay.
5 plus 8 is dash 3.
Okay.
And 3 plus 7 is dash 0.
Okay.
9 plus 2 is dash 1.
Okay.
And 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is dash 0.
Okay.
And 8 plus 4 is dash 2. And 9 plus 2 is dash 1.
One second. 8 plus 4.
Sir, 8 plus
Here,
4.
here, how much is the remaining? 0.
Yes, sir, 0.
Okay. Right. 4 plus 8 is 2 dash 2. Okay.
And again 2 plus 9 is dash 1.
Okay.
Sir, can I tell the answer? And 2 plus 1
Don't
is
disturb in the middle. Wait.
and 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 plus 3 is 1. So dash 1.
Dash 1. Okay. 1 is the end number. Count the number of dashes. Even when
Sir,
counting
it's
the
1,
number
1,
of
1.
dashes. Yeah, number of dashes also count
11.
2 at a time. Or 3 at a time.
Sir, 111, sir, answer.
Okay.
1, 1, 1 is the answer, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 extra. So 11 dashes or 11 dots, and 1 is the end number. So 111 is the answer.
Sir,
Okay.
I accidentally put 80 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40 like that, sir.
Where is 80?
It is
Why to
8
take 80?
plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 like that, sir, right? I put it as 80 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40.
Oh, okay. If it is 80 plus 60 plus 40 plus 50.
We need to put it like for 100, sir. We need to put a dash.
I didn't understand what you are.
Sorry, for now if we are getting the number as 10, we will put a
Okay.
dash, right, sir?
Okay. In that case,
Like that for 100.
see, if your case is like this
Sir,
one,
we
right?
need to, if we have like 8 plus 80
Ignore
plus-
all zeros. Ignore
Yes,
all
sir.
zeros and do your procedure as usual. And finally add that 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if the last digit is 1, so we can add all 1, sir.
Last digit means?
Last is, sir,
Sir, like
80
this 1
means
plus 1
last digit
plus
is
1 plus 1.
0. 60, the last digit is 0.
like last digit is 0 here, like 1.
Yes.
So we are moving to that
Can
case.
you give another
It's a
problem?
single digit. Yeah, it's a single digit list addition. Next we are going to take a double digit list addition. Okay.
Sir, how we can do this, sir?
Yes, sir, we can't.
Yeah, we can
So
do.
we need to
Sir, it's
first
big,
100.
Wait. Let me explain. Do by considering it as a single row or a single digit column, it do the same procedure for this column and this column, and after with that result use balancing rule.
Sir, that much process, sir.
And then we need to do
Okay, sir.
balancing rule after that.
Sir, we need
Yeah.
to do two rows, sir. The
Yeah,
one
two
line
rows
and
separately.
balancing.
Yeah, two rows, not two rows, two columns separately. First column and second column do separately, and finally for the results
this
use a
answer,
balancing rule.
Okay, sir.
Sir, only for this question, can you please explain?
Okay.
sir, can I tell?
Thank you, sir.
Who? Ritvik?
Sir, can I do?
Ritvik, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are telling for first column or second column?
Sir, first the first column.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, can I do second column?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
4 plus
first column.
7. Yes, sir. 4 plus 7 is a dash 1.
Okay.
And 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13 dash 3.
Okay.
And 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 dash 1.
Okay.
And 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 dash
Your
6.
voice gone somewhere.
Sir,
Yes,
the
sir.
voice is breaking.
Sir, you can hear?
Yeah, it is okay now.
Yes, sir. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 dash 6.
Okay.
6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 1 dash
Dash
1.
1.
And 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 dash 1.
Okay.
And 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 7 dash 7.
Okay.
Dash 7. 7 plus 4 is 11 dash 1.
Okay.
And 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is dash 1.
Okay, right. So
Sir,
here
first
I'm
we
writing
have to-
here. What is the result of first column? Count number of dashes.
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, sir. 9
9
and 1.
dashes
9
and 1 is the end number. So this is the result
this
of
is the
first.
first column, sir.
Hmm.
And second column,
Some other person asked already.
Sir,
Let us give chance to other.
Sir, I have asked, sir.
Srishti.
can I do again balance? Sir, the second row I already solved it, but let's just do it.
Yeah, second column. Srishti, proceed.
So 7 with 7 plus 5 is 12, so dash 2.
Okay.
2 plus 8 is 10, so dash 0.
Okay.
9 plus 5 is 14, so dash 4.
Okay.
4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, so dash 0.
Okay.
5 plus 5 is 10, so dash 0.
Okay.
9 plus 2 is 11, so dash 1.
Okay.
So 5 plus 6 is 11,
One.
so
What
dash 1. So,
1
5
plus 5
plus
6.
1 is 6.
Hmm.
6 plus 6 is 12, so dash 2.
Okay.
So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6
Hmm.
plus 5 is 11, so dash 1.
Okay.
So 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 5 is again 11, so dash 1.
Okay.
So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus
What about this
4
one?
is
If I write here, you are remembering. Otherwise, you are forgetting this one.
yes, sir.
1
So,
plus 7
6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12, so dash 2.
dash 2. Okay. So count number of dashes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir.
So 102. So now balancing. Drop
So
2.
it's 2.
Carry forward 10.
So
91
it's
plus 10.
101.
So answer 1012. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
unit.
can you give us exercise?
So Ashwad, verify your answer. Is it 92 or 1 or 2?
Sir, by accident, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Okay.
So I also got the same answer.
Yeah, see, if you think why to balance in the last, if you think like that, you can do first units place column. First do units place column. What you are getting? 1 or 2, right? So write 2 here and write that 10, remaining 10 below this number or below this column or above this column. Next, while counting that column, count this 10 also.
Okay.
Okay, this extra step will be reduced.
Sir
Okay.
will be there hundreds, thousands.
Yeah, maybe. Yes.
Sir, can we do exercise?
What you are doing now, is it not exercise?
No, sir.
Then
Sir, this is example, sir.
example exercise, right?
Sir, I think she's telling that like we tell in the chat box like E, G, like that, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, second row, can I do second row? I'll do, sir.
Sir, I'll do first row.
Sir, I will do first row, sir.
Sir, give this.
Sir, first row, please.
Sir, second row, Raghav.
Sir, afterwards give me one chance, sir. I will do full problem, sir. Please, one chance, sir.
So,
Yes.
sir, actually, I'm facing a severe problem. Like, I'm unable to put anything in the chat. Like, I'm unable to chat or to put the answers. So, can you please once restart the meeting if you can, so that I can turn on my video also, because except my audio, I'm unable to do anything.
Sir,
Then
You can rejoin.
you can
I
left the
tried
class and you can
rejoining.
rejoin.
I tried rejoining, but it's not working. So I think if class restart, I think it works.
Then here one problem is there. As we are recording this class, class will be in the parts, 2 separate parts, out to upload in YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Sir, Vedic
Sir,
class is
only
uploading
30
on
minutes
YouTube.
left, sir.
1 second,
Sir,
I'll.
excuse me, sir. I am solving the second row.
Sir, I will give the
Sir, I
answer.
am
Sir.
solving the balance. Sir, from Kunal, it is a disturbance.
Mute yourself, remaining persons.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 second, Toshnika. I'm keeping you in waiting room and I'll. Yeah. Toshnika. Are you there, Toshnika?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I finished the second row.
Sir? Yeah.
Sir, for this thing, after in the second row, how should we do it, sir? I added all the numbers again. I got the number 1 minute, sir.
1 second. 1 second. Toshnika, I'm removing you from my side. Try to rejoin.
Sir, it's fine now.
She got.
Okay now.
Yes, now it's fine.
Okay, right. Now, who is going to solve first column?
Sir, can you tell?
Sir,
Can you tell
Raghav.
for both, sir?
Just
Sir,
the
can
first
I-
is better.
Sir,
You
can
first.
you tell, sir, Ashwath Reddy? Sir, Ashwath Reddy. Can you tell?
Ashwad.
Sir, 7 plus 4 dash 1.
Remaining persons, keep in mute condition.
Sir, 7 plus 4 dash 1.
Dash 1.
1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9 dash 1.
1 second. Somebody unmuted.
Ashwath only.
Yeah, is it the disturbance from you only, Ashwath?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. 7 plus 4 dash 1.
Hmm.
1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9 dash 1.
Okay.
1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4 dash 2. 2 plus 8 dash 0. 9 plus 7 dash 6.
One
6
second.
plus-
1 second.
Sir,
Hello,
can I
sir.
write? Sir, from 1 plus 7 is
Yes.
8.
Ashwath, one minute, please.